Welcome to this comprehensive masterclass on Forex candlesticks. In the world of trading, candlesticks are the ultimate language of the market. Developed in the 18th century by Japanese rice traders, these charts provide far more information than a simple line graph. Before we dive into patterns, we must master the anatomy of a single candle. Every candle tells a story of 4 price points. These points are the open, high, low, and close. Together, they represent price action over a specific time frame. The solid part is called the real body, while the thin lines extending from the top and bottom are the wicks or shadows. A green candle is bullish. It means the price closed higher than it opened, showing that buyers were in control during that period. A red candle is bearish. This indicates that the price closed lower than it opened, meaning sellers dominated the session. Think of every candle as a battleground. The body shows the winner, while the wicks show how far the price was pushed back. We'll start with single candlestick patterns. These simple shapes can provide powerful signals of an impending reversal. The hammer is a bullish reversal pattern. It has a small body and a long lower wick, indicating that sellers tried to push price down but failed. Found at the bottom of a downtrend, it signals that buyers are stepping in and a trend reversal may be near. The inverted hammer also signals a bullish reversal. The long upper wick shows that buyers are testing the resistance. The shooting star is the bearish version of the inverted hammer. It occurs at the top of an uptrend and signals a reversal. The hanging man looks like a hammer, but appears at the peak of a rally. It warns that the buying momentum is weakening. Then we have the doji. This candle represents pure indecision. Neither buyers nor sellers could gain an advantage. Variations like the dragonfly doji signal bullishness, while the gravestone doji signals a potential bearish drop. A marubozu is a candle with no wicks. A green marubozu indicates extreme bullish strength from start to finish. A red marubozu shows overwhelming selling pressure. It often acts as a continuation signal for a strong downtrend. Now let's move to double candlestick patterns. These require 2 consecutive candles to form a complete signal. The bullish engulfing pattern occurs when a large green candle completely covers the body of the previous red candle. This shows that buyers have completely overwhelmed the sellers, often leading to a powerful new upward trend. The bearish engulfing pattern is the opposite. A large red candle engulfs a smaller green one at the top of a trend. Tweezer tops form when 2 candles hit the exact same resistance level and are rejected. This is a strong bearish signal. Tweezer bottoms occur when 2 candles reach the same support floor, indicating that the price is unlikely to fall further. The bullish harami resembles a pregnant woman. The small green candle inside the large red one shows momentum is stalling. The bearish harami occurs in an uptrend. It suggests that the buyers are losing their grip and a correction may be coming. Finally, we have triple candlestick patterns. These are high-conviction signals that use 3 candles to confirm a move. The morning star is a bullish reversal. The middle candle shows indecision, while the third green candle confirms the recovery. The evening star is its bearish counterpart. It's a reliable signal that an uptrend has reached its peak and is reversing. 3 white soldiers consist of 3 consecutive green candles with strong bodies, indicating a powerful start to an uptrend. 3 black crows show 3 strong red candles in a downtrend, signaling that sellers have completely taken control. Let's look at this EUR/USD 15-minute chart. An evening star formed right at a major resistance level, leading to a 50-pip drop. You enter after the third candle closes. Place your stop loss above the star and target the nearest support zone. On the GBP/JPY 1-hour chart, we see a textbook bullish engulfing. Notice how the green body completely covers the red one. This signal was confirmed by high volume, leading to a massive rally that lasted for several trading sessions. When you see extremely long wicks, the market is telling you that price was rejected at those levels. Pay attention. Context is everything. A single bearish candle in a massive uptrend is often just a minor pullback, not a full reversal. Wait for confluence. A bullish hammer appearing while the RSI is oversold increases your probability of success. Patterns that form exactly on a major moving average, like the 200 EMA, are among the most powerful setups in Forex. Candlestick patterns are more reliable on higher time frames. An H4 engulfing candle is far more significant than one on the M5 chart. In Forex, Gaps between candles are rare except at market open. Be cautious when patterns form around these gaps. For large candles, many traders wait for a 50% retracement of the body before entering to get a better risk to reward. Patterns aren't magic, they are tools. Without strict risk management, even the best patterns will lead to losses. Your stop loss should always be placed where the pattern story is proven wrong, usually just below or above the wicks. Set your targets at the next logical support or resistance zone. Let the chart structure dictate your exit. The three-line strike is an advanced pattern. 3 small trending candles, followed by 1 massive candle that wipes them out. Tweezer tops form when 2 candles hit the exact same resistance level and are rejected. This is a strong bearish signal. Paradoxically, this often acts as a continuation pattern, clearing out weak hands before the original trend resumes. Sometimes patterns fail. This isn't a mistake, it's market information. A failed pattern often signals a very strong move in the opposite direction. Develop a checklist. First, is the pattern clear? If you have to convince yourself it's there, it probably isn't. Second, location is everything. A pattern in the middle of nowhere is noise. A pattern at a key level is a signal. Third, does it align with the higher time frame trend? Trading with the trend significantly improves your win rate. Fourth, always wait for the candle to close. A signal isn't a signal until the time frame is complete. Look at this USD/JPY daily chart. After a long correction, a tweezer bottom formed at historical support, sparking a massive rally. The tweezer bottom, the historical support, and the rising trend line all met at once. That is high probability trading. Avoid chasing the wick. Many traders enter as the price is moving fast, only to see it reverse and leave a long shadow. Go back and test these patterns. See how often a hammer actually leads to a reversal on your favorite currency pair. Log every candle setup you trade. This will help you distinguish between high-quality signals and low-quality noise. Discipline means not trading when the candles are messy. A professional trader is happy to wait all day for one clear setup. The dark cloud cover is a bearish reversal. It signals that buyers were exhausted and sellers have reclaimed the territory. The piercing line is the bullish equivalent. It shows that despite a lower open, buyers pushed price deep into the seller's zone. Always look at volume. A candlestick pattern with a significant volume spike is far more likely to follow through. As your trade moves into profit, you can trail your stop loss behind the wicks of new candles to protect your gains. Don't overcomplicate your charts. Too many indicators will distract you from the most important data, the candlesticks themselves. Remember, a candlestick pattern is a probability, not a certainty. Trade accordingly and always respect your stop loss. Let's summarize. We've mastered the anatomy, the open, high, low, and close that define every candle's story. We explored single patterns like hammers and dojis, which give us immediate clues about potential reversals. We moved into double and triple patterns, which provide stronger, confirmed signals for trend changes. Most importantly, we learned that context is everything. Always look for confluence at key levels. Profit doesn't come from a single trade, but from the consistent execution of your strategy over hundreds of trades. There are no shortcuts in Forex. Mastery of candlesticks requires patience, practice, and persistent learning. Start journaling today. Every candle you study and every trade you log brings you one step closer to professional success. Get on your charts and start looking for these patterns. The more you see them, the more natural it will become. Keep it simple. You don't need 1,000 signals. You just need a few high-quality patterns that you understand deeply. Thank you for joining this Candlestick Masterclass. Apply these principles with discipline, and I'll see you in the markets. May your charts be clear and your trades be profitable. Happy trading.